The myth of the Kraken has captivated imaginations for centuries. But could this legendary sea monster actually exist? Recent scientific discoveries suggest a startling connection. The Kraken, often described as a gargantuan octopus or squid, terrorized sailors in ancient folklore. It symbolized the terrifying, unknown power of the deep ocean. These legends spoke of a monster large enough to drag entire ships down into the abyss, leaving behind only swirling wreckage. While the Kraken remains mythical, our oceans hold real-life titans. Let's delve into the dark, cold waters where true apex predators reign. The Southern Ocean, in particular, is home to some of the world's most formidable predators, perfectly adapted to the extreme environment. Key players here include the powerful sperm whales and the elusive, massive colossal squid, creatures that dwarf almost all others. These predators rely on consuming enormous amounts of deep-sea life to sustain their massive size, making their stomach contents a valuable biological record. Scientists, in an effort to understand these complex food webs, have been analyzing samples collected from the Southern Ocean's apex predators. By analyzing the gut contents, researchers can use advanced molecular techniques to identify the prey species, even when only fragments of tissue remain. It was in these biological samples that researchers made an astonishing find: DNA traces belonging to a cephalopod of massive size, yet entirely unknown to science. This unique genetic signature was rigorously examined, becoming the focal point of intense scientific scrutiny. The unidentified DNA sequence indicated a creature far larger than the largest known specimens of deep-sea squid, suggesting a truly immense species. When compared to genetic material from colossal and giant squid, the differences were profound, suggesting this DNA belonged to a new, potentially mega-species. What does this evidence truly imply about the creature dwelling in the ocean's depths? The scientific community has several compelling hypotheses. One leading theory suggests this DNA comes from a colossal cephalopod, possibly reaching sizes that truly align with ancient Kraken descriptions. The Southern Ocean's abundant resources and vast, unexplored trenches could easily provide the perfect habitat for a creature of this scale to thrive undetected. The discovery of this massive, unidentified DNA brings the mythical Kraken one step closer to reality, demonstrating the thin line between folklore and scientific fact. Our quest to explore the depths continues to reveal that the most fantastic stories often hold a grain of truth, waiting for us to find the evidence. The ocean remains largely a mystery. What other incredible megaspecies are waiting to be discovered through future deep-sea exploration and genetic analysis?